Hi guys, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Guys, we have an unboxing from BeeBee Crafts. So this is how this works, guys. I watched a video with one of my favorite glam ladies. Her name is Petalist Bless. She introduced this link to BeeBee Crafts, and it was really easy, guys. All you need to do is have 100 subscribers. You get to pick out 3 items from the website to use in your videos for crafting. I also feel that they have a YouTube program, which is pretty awesome. And like I said, only 100 subscribers, so I thought that was pretty neat. So I went ahead and I did it, and here is my package. So guys, all the information you're going to need is going to be linked down below. Again, it's called BeeBee Crafts. So let's do the unboxing here. Let's see, I'm so excited. Okay, so I thought it was pretty neat to have a YouTube program, and you only needed 100 subscribers. So you pick out 3 items that you want from their website. And of course you have to create an account, and then all you need to do is to mention them in your videos. Okay, and I thought they had some really nice stuff. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. That's my bling. It's like a bling wrap. Okay, so that's the gold one. Then I got one in the silver. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy I did that. So anyway, it's my first time doing this, so I was really excited. Okay. So then I got this wrap because this is a wrap I've never used before. I've used the silver wrap and the rose mesh, but this one was a multicolor. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. So, and I've been talking a lot about the gemstone colors, so this is really nice. So today we're going to be using this one. I couldn't wait to use this one, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Look. That's gorgeous. I thought that was great. Alright, so let's jump into the one that I'm using today. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. But today we're going to be working with this one. So we're going to be using this vase here. And so this, guys, came from the Dollar Tree. And then this is a 4-pack. It's a sauce dish. It's over by the dishes. And it comes in a pack of 4 for $1. So I normally use these as a stand for the vase, like this. Very beautiful, guys. So this is what we're going to be working on today. So the first thing we're going to do, this is really nice. So you have the blue, then you have the 2 pink, then you have the yellow and the green, and then the purple and the blue. I like that purple and blue. Reminds me of peacock colors. Okay, so we're going to use some of the loose gems, and then we're going to go ahead and add some of that bling wrap over to that vase. So let me get some gems in here. And my pick, guys, I got this pick over at Michael's. So what I want to do is I want to decorate some of the bottom with the loose gems, the diamond gems, and then we're going to go ahead and add some of this mesh wrap onto the vase. Okay, so let's start down here. See, and this is what we have so far. Okay. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fill that in, and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so this is what that bottom piece, or the pedestal, I always call it a pedestal, looks like. It's not beautiful, guys. I did it a little different. I didn't fill in all the way to the top. I filled in 2 rows on the bottom, and then I scattered some on the right before the top to glue the vase. So before we glue the vase, I want to go ahead and embellish it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run a strip of this mesh wrap with the pink along the neck of the vase. So that's gonna go right around here. Okay, and that's what that's going to look like. Isn't that pretty? Alright guys, so let's start here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and run these 3 rows double. They're both in double. This one is the purple and the teal. I love this. It reminds me of the peacock colors, guys. Then you have the pink, 2 rows of the pink, and then I cut out 1 row of the green and the yellow. Isn't that pretty? So we're going to run that right down 3 sections of the vase. These 2. And that looks like I'm going to have to cut. So that's the first row. Now we're going to come and do it the opposite side of that. We're going to do the pink. So now what I'm going to do is split this one down the middle. so that you have double on one end, double on the other end, and then single going down this end, and then one on the other end. I think that would look really pretty. That is absolutely gorgeous, this mesh. Show you what we have. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. I'm loving the gemstone look right now. I think it's very beautiful, especially this time of the year. So now we're not going to let these go to waste, guys. We're going to place these in the center in between each of these right here. Okay. That one has two. This one I'm gonna split because so what's gonna happen is this one here is gonna have double, this one single, this one double, this one single. This way these won't go to waste. I'm just loving this. Okay, so let's go opposite of where this one is and place this one. Then we'll glue the rest of it down. Guys, these glue strings today are a nightmare. Beautiful gift. It's nice and it has like a refreshing look. I'm absolutely loving these colors right now. Okay, so look how that came out. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and glue this to the stand. I'm sorry, guys. It's just a lot of glue strings today. So now this, guys, is the pedestal. So we're going to glue this vase we're going to glue the vase onto the pedestal. That's what we're doing next. That's absolutely gorgeous, guys. So let's see. We're going to use, I've been using the Beacon 527. I like this product. Okay. So we're going to put that in the center, and then we're going to put the hot glue for an instant stick, and then I'm going to leave this sit overnight. So we're going to go pretty much around the center here. And then on the outer part I'm going to use the hot glue gun. Then we're going to place the vase, and you only have like a second, if you have that, a second to make sure you like the placement. And you push down. Okay, guys, so let me just explain one more time how this works. So I contacted BeeBee Crafts after I watch. I always go to my glam girl, Petal is Blessed. So I'm gonna link her channel down below. If you like glam stuff, guys, you need to go to her channel. She's absolutely awesome. So so in the channel she was saying that you go over to BeeBee Crafts and you can go ahead and go into their YouTube program, and you only need 100 subscribers. So I went ahead and I did that, and it was so easy. The whole process was very simple. The lady contacted me. I went ahead and I placed the order, and I had my order in a week. And you have to see all the assortments of all the things that she has on in her website. So I went ahead and I chose the 3 that I normally use in my crafting. So that was as easy as that, guys. And so you don't have anything to lose. I think it's pretty awesome. I'm very thankful, because that's where I'm going to start ordering my mesh wrap and my rose mesh. And yeah, so I'm very happy with their products. The next one I'll be using these, so stay tuned for that DIY. This vase came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. I don't want to move it around too much, but look at it. All the information about BeeBee Crafts will be linked down below. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like and share, comment below, and don't forget, guys, spread the love, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.